Hey there guys, welcome back to Cop Talks and another video. So today's video is kind of different. It's kind of an unboxing video. Somebody brought me a box here, and it's a pretty good size one. And it's a legit military MRE box. So one of my buddies was also in the military, gave me this box a long time ago, maybe not too long ago, and it's been kind of sitting in storage ever since. I had recently moved, so I kind of forgot it even existed. Well, I had a family member come by yesterday and drop this off, and I have no idea really what's in it, so let's just get to it and figure out what the mystery box holds, shall we? Alright, so yeah, this is the 425-pound test cardboard box that the legit military stuff comes in. This is like some of the toughest cardboard I've ever messed with in my entire life. So right off the bat here, looks like we got a couple of bags of raisins. The code on there is 3105, so either these were made in 2013 or 2003. I'm gonna guess 2013 because it's a little bit newer packaging. We've got a couple of FRHs here. No idea if they're actually still good. Wow. Lemon lime beverage. Fruit punch, chocolate pudding dessert powder, wheat snack bread, beverage bag. Looks like we got a couple of entrees maybe. Mixed fruit. Oh gosh, yeah, I'm gonna have to put this to the side. I'm not gonna have enough room. Ugh. So let's see, we got mixed fruit, vegetable lasagna, au gratin potatoes, chicken with tomatoes and feta cheese. Oh wow, look. This one has pepper sauce. That's cool. I haven't seen one of those. This one's got Splenda in it. Moist towelette. Coffee instant type 3 freeze dried. This one looks like it's got some gum, instant coffee, type 3, matches, iodized salt, sugar, things like that. A couple more beverage bags. Oh, some more accessory packets. Another one with Splenda. Not too much going on in that one. And then this seems like a pretty basic one again. We got some applesauce with raspberry puree. Nice. So not the Zapple sauce. Yeah, and this is another either 2013 or a 2003. I'm going to say 2013 though. More fruit punch. Another beverage bag. Lemon lime. Another one. Coffee instant type 3. Some more FRHs. Gosh, does anybody need any FRHs? Got some more FRHs. Yeah, seriously, if you want one, you just let me know. Like, here's another one. Oh gosh, got a couple of MRE spoons. Another accessory pack. Looks like most of the other ones. Another FR8. More fruit punch. Fruit punch. Looks like if you guys need FRHs or fruit punch, man, I'm one-stop shop. Another FRH. Another FR8. Oh, fruit punch. All right. Oh, this one's got raspberry beverage base. And then seasoning blend salt-free. So, boring. No, I'm just kidding. It's probably not too bad. Blackberry jam. Nice. Orange beverage base. Oh, some tortillas. Gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Chocolate chip toaster pastry. Another FRH. Another beverage bag. Oh, this one's got more of the pepper sauce. I'm gonna have to try one of those. And then this one has a lemonade beverage base. Sweet. Got some toilet paper. That's always handy. We got another MRE spoon. Another pretty basic accessory packet. I don't know. It feels like kind of like 2013, 2015, they really cheaped out on some of that shit. And then some of them, they have like Splenda and crap. So you're like, why would you do that? There's something else in here. What is that? I'll put that one to the side. There's something in there I don't recognize. Then this one has like some kind of seasoning packet. Oh, ground red pepper. Cool. Another FRH. Two more FRHs. Jesus. Then we got another accessory packet here. Pretty basic. Beverage bag. Accessory packets. Pretty basic ones again. Another accessory packet. More fruit punch. I don't know why. There's some more pepper sauce. Sweet, sweet. Ooh, I really want to try that. We got another one with another pepper sauce. I'll put that one to the side. I'm gonna crack those open. We got another MRE spoon. We got chocolate pudding dessert powder. I think I remember the vanilla one being really good. I can't remember chocolate. Look at this stack of stuff, though. I haven't even gotten to the entrees. There's some entrees down here. Oh, more FRHs and beverage bags. Barbecue sauce. Creamer non-dairy. Multigrain snack bread. Some more au gratin potatoes. We got chicken, egg noodles, and vegetables in sauce. Some of the cool caffeinated peppermints. Those are pretty good. Chocolate dairy shake powder. Crackers. Oh, more fruit punch. French vanilla cappuccino. Ooh. Okay, look at this accessory packet. This has fat-free mayonnaise, raspberry beverage base, and some salt-free seasoning. I don't know if that mayonnaise is still good, but that might be interesting to check out. More orange beverage powder. Got a lot of beverages in this one. And then we got some little miscellaneous stuff at the bottom here. Another accessory packet. Another MRE spoon. Toilet paper, sugar, matte caffeinated mints. Beverage bag. Fruit punch. Oh my god. Alright, now we're really getting into some entrees here. We got more au gratin potatoes. Mexican-style chicken stew. Pork sausage and cream gravy. Ratatouille. Garlic mashed potatoes. Potato cheddar soup. Looks like these are all made by Sopico, too. Penne with vegetable sausage crumbles in spicy tomato sauce. I remember this one being not too bad. And then the last three here. Refried beans. Another ratatouille. And Santa Fe-style rice and beans. Wow. That's actually a pretty good haul for this box. Let's see. I know I had somebody in Australia asking me to send them a couple. They were trying to put together a go bag. Most of these were stored in a very dry, dark place, so I imagine they're still going to be fine. I'll send a message to him and see if he still wants any. If anybody else wants one they would like to try, let me know, and I'll get them shipped out. I'll just basically charge you for shipping and packaging, and that's it if you want them. Of course, that depends on how many you want. But I'm going to keep a few just to kind of give out as gifts and stuff like too. If you want any fruit punch, and you just let me know. I did try an FRH from kind of the same time period a while back, and it didn't really work, but these might be fine. So if you want any of those, you just let me know. I'll send them to you. I don't care. But anyway, guys, that's kind of the haul I've gotten with this box. Pretty sweet. I have a pretty good selection of stuff here. And then I got a ton of accessories here. So, anyway, guys, if you have any questions about any of this, you just let me know. The date groups on these are like 3046. That seems to be pretty average on these. It's like in the 304 series. So, if you kind of have an idea what that age, or that, not that age, but that date group is or means, I'm thinking 2013. If that's true, cool. These are probably still fine. 2003, maybe not. But these don't seem to be any of the early 2000 model MREs. These seem a little bit later. And I'm pretty sure... Oh, this one's an Ameriqual. Interesting. But, yeah. No, I'm pretty sure I got these from my unit during a training session. So, like I said, if you're interested in any, let me know. And until then, have a fantastic day. And hopefully you get a surprise box or something like this too. Or you find something you totally forgot you had. Anyway, guys, really appreciate you joining me today. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I like to have a lot of fun here. And the more people I get involved, the more stuff I can do. And it's just a good time for everybody involved. Once again, I appreciate you joining me today. Have fun out there. Stay safe. Stay warm. And I'll catch you in the next one.